Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows 11 update error. Your device is missing important security update on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the update error, your device is missing important security update on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method you can try and fix these issues. In this, the first method is you have to just click on this search menu and type here services. Click on the services. In this, you need to find Windows Update. Just select any one of the service, then press W key. Then scroll down. Here you will find Windows Update. Double click on that. You have to make sure that startup type should be automatic. After that, make sure this service status should be running. If it is stopped, then click on run. You can see it's running now. Then click on apply, then click OK. You have to make sure that it is running and startup type should be automatic. After that, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After trying this, still you are facing the issue, then click on this start menu, or you have to just right click on that, then click on run. In this, you need to type one of the command what I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy paste from there. This is the command msdt.exe space /id space WindowsUpdateDiagnostic. Just click OK, then click on advanced. You have to make sure that this should be check mark. If it is unchecked, just check mark this option, then click on next, and it will fixes your Windows Update problem automatically. After trying, still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just open the CMD, type here CMD, right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Here you have to copy paste all the commands what I will provide in my video description link one by one. This is the first command what we have copy paste in the run box. Now we have to copy paste these commands one by one. Just copy, just Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. Hit enter. Copy the second command. After message, paste it. Copy the third. After completion of all these four commands, you have to go to the file explorer, go to the C drive, go to the Windows folder. Here you will find software distribution. You can see software distribution, double click on that. Here you will find some of the files and folders. Just select all, right click and delete it. After completion of this, just empty a recycle bin also from desktop. After emptying your recycle bin, just close this window, and you have to copy this command and paste it in your CMD. Just copy one by one and paste it. After completion of all this, once you have to close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 11 update error. Your device is missing important security update on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.